In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of buying a Binance gift card using a credit card. Let's get started. Visit Google, open your browser and go to google.com. Search for Binance gift card on G2A in the search bar. Type Binance gift card G2A and hit enter. G2A is a trusted website for purchasing various gift cards. Select a gift card, click on the first link in the search results to be redirected to the G2A website. Here you'll find different Binance gift card options with varying amounts, such as $58 or $113. Choose and purchase. Choose the gift card that suits your needs and budget. Select the desired amount and proceed to checkout. You can complete the purchase using your credit card. Redeem the key after purchasing. G2A will email you a unique key. Visit the Binance website and redeem this key to activate your gift card. By following these steps, you can easily purchase a Binance gift card using your credit card. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.